Hello and welcome to React Bits in this 1K special video. Thank you all for supporting my channel. I have now 1K plus subscribers. So in this special episode, I'm going to share with you how I make my tutorial videos, the tools, hardware and software that I use for my tutorial videos recording and editing, exporting and publishing to YouTube. So let us get started. The first and foremost, the screen recording tool that I use is the open source simple screen recorder. I've been using this since the first tutorial that I have recorded in the YouTube, because I'm in a Linux system and this one is one of the best screen recorder yet. It is simple, intuitive and has lots of functions that I require. The next, the audio microphone that I have been using for my tutorials is the Rode NT-USB. This is the only hardware that I have invested apart from my laptop for recording tutorials, because for the tutorials, apart from video, the audio is the most important part. So you better spend a good amount to get a quality microphone to record your tutorials. Next, you all know the code editor that I have been using is Visual Studio Code. It's open source, it's free, and I love it very much. It has lots of functionalities, and for Flutter, they have provided official plugin for Visual Studio Code. Next, for audio recording and audio manipulation and stuff, I use software called Audacity. It's another open source audio software and it has lots of quality functionalities like any other pro software that you can pay for. So this is the best software for free for audio manipulation and recording. Finally, for video editing, previously I have been using OpenShot and Shotcut, but for quite some time now, my 3 or 4 videos that I have published were edited in Olive Editor. It's a new in the open source market. So again, it's a open source and free, and it's still in alpha version, but it has all the features right now that I require for my tutorial videos to edit and publish it. So check this out. And once again, thank you all for supporting my channel. Hope you like and subscribe my videos and tell your friends about my channel. Thank you.